Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the D6000 and confirming driver availability. First, plug the official 65W power adapter into the dock and into the wall. This ensures stable power delivery. Once done, make sure your laptop's USB-C or USB-A port supports DisplayPort Alt mode or has sufficient bandwidth. That explains why some ports limit multi-monitor output. While powered, the dock initializes firmware, so subsequent driver installs detect hardware correctly. Now connect the dock to your laptop using the USB-C cable if available, otherwise use the included USB-A cable. Because the D6000 relies on DisplayLink, install the latest DisplayLink driver. This enables multiple displays and audio routing. After installing drivers and any Dell firmware updates, reboot the laptop so the system recognizes the dock. Then plug in your monitors, Ethernet, keyboard, and mouse so the OS configures each device in one pass. Finish by arranging displays in your operating system and adjusting resolution and scaling for clarity. This step ensures Windows behave predictably. If you see flicker or missing monitors, update the laptop BIOS and native USB drivers because compatibility often fixes bandwidth issues. If the dock still fails, power cycle the dock, try another USB port or cable, and confirm the power adapter is connected. These quick checks resolve most connection problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.